Do you want to become an AI engineer but don't know where to start? Have you seen complex roadmap that feels overwhelming? What if I told you there's a simpler, faster way to get started in just 90 days? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to learn AI engineering and start building real-world AI application. Let's dive in. Before you get into the roadmap, let's quickly understand what AI engineering is. AI engineering is about using foundational models like ChatGPT, Claude, Mistral, DeepSeek to create applications that solves real-world problems. Unlike machine learning engineering, where you focus on building models from scratch, AI engineering leverages pre-trained models to save time and efforts. This means you need not to spend years learning how to build and train models. You can focus on building application right away. Now, why should we care about AI engineering? Because AI is the future and foundational model has made it incredibly easy for developers to create intelligent apps. With companies like OpenAI, Hugging Face, Microsoft providing these powerful tools, you can focus on solving real problems instead of reinventing the wheel. I have broken the roadmap into 4 steps. Level 1, basic. Level 2 is the intermediate level where you'll be understanding about RAG application. Level 3 is the advanced level, hybrid search and agent. Level 4, you'll understand about the deployment, benchmarking and ML basics. By the end of this roadmap, you'll have the skill to create and deploy real-world AI applications. The first step is to learn the fundamentals. Learn what LLMs are and how they work. Practice writing efficient prompts because good prompts are the foundation of AI application. I have made videos on the prompt engineering. You can check that out too. Learn how to call APIs from providers like OpenAI, Hugging Face and Microsoft Azure. Then you can explore beginners-friendly framework like LangChain to build simple applications. After this basic, you can build your first demo using the Streamlit or Gradio that can help you quickly generate the demo. Check out the tutorials on deep learning AI and AI engineering by Chip Hoyan. I have added the links in the description for the curated resources. Once you master the basic, move to the next level. Learn how to combine AI models with your own data. Learn how to store and retrieve data in vector database like Pinecone or pgvector. Practice creating AI applications that fetch relevant information from vector databases before generating responses. This step helps you make your AI application smarter and context-aware. Next, we dive deeper into the advanced concept. Learn how to combine keyword search and vector search for the better results. Then we start building the agents. Agents are the future of AI. Use frameworks like LangChain, small agents, or pedantic AI to build agents that can perform tasks autonomously. Experiment with the applications that use both text and image or other data types. By now, you have the skills to build powerful dynamic AI systems. Finally, focus on deployment and optimization. Learn how to evaluate and benchmark your models. Learn how to measure your AI application's performance. Then deploy your application to the production. Learn how to deploy your apps securely to the cloud services like AWS, GCP, and Azure. If you want to dive deeper, learn how to fine-tune your pre-trained model and even build simple model yourself. At this stage, you will have end-to-end knowledge of AI engineering and you will be ready to tackle real-world projects. AI engineering is a fast-changing field and opportunities are endless. You don't need years of experience or advanced degree to get started. With these 90 days roadmap, you can learn essential, build real-world application, and make an impact in the world of AI. Check out the description for all the resources I mentioned, including tutorials, books, tools to help you along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it to the others who are interested in AI engineering. Until next time, keep learning, keep building. Goodbye.